Here is your switch. You can flip your mental switch on to positivity, to help transform your life, to embrace tranquility, to replace chaos with peace. Seek rejuvenation, which renews your spirit, boosts your intuition and inspiration, and allow contentment, empowerment, and fulfillment to create a cycle of positivity within you that not only lifts you up, but also those around you, so you can enjoy your outcome on a daily basis. By doing this, you help create a better, positive, amazing outcome for yourself and for those around you. We do have choices. So what choice will you make today? Will it be on, or will you allow it to turn off? Become aware. When you feel the turn off, stop, take a moment, and flip your switch to on for excitement and confidence, contentment, tranquility, hope, empowerment, transformation, intuition, inspiration. And then you shut off those feelings that you do not want to be a part of. You bring in love and gratitude, harmony and balance, and rejuvenation.